Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be comparing these two microphones within the same price range to determine which one is the best affordable mic, especially for beginner content creators. This is the popular K1 microphone that almost everyone seems to be using these days, and yeah, I want to know if it's better than the Boya Lavalier wired mic. This is a wireless mic and this is a wired mic. And I've reviewed this mic a lot in my videos, but if you're new here, I'll just do it all over again just for you to see how it actually looks like. So it comes in a pouch. It comes with stickers if you want to stick it to your laptop or something. I think it's just a mini gift. It comes with instructions that I most definitely would not read. And then let's review how it looks like. So and it is extremely long. Like, it is so long I don't even want to unwrap this because I don't want to have to deal with too much wires all around the place. Now, because this K1 microphone does not go with the camera, it's made for phones because most beginners use their phones to create content anyways. So I'm going to be testing both of them using the phone, and I'm going to say the same exact word so that we can compare them on the same level. So now we are going to start with the K1 mic. I don't know why I keep doing this ASMR. This is how it looks like. It comes with two microphones, and then this is what we use to connect it to the phone. And when you're buying this, you have to be careful because if you're using an iPhone, then you need a plug for iPhones, and if you're using if your phone needs a USB, then you need a USB plug. Now I bought a USB-C and it does not go with my phone, so now I have to use my tablets, but it doesn't matter anyways because we're not testing visuals here, we're testing audio. It also comes with a charger. I just like the packaging. It just seems so bougie, you know, like a wristwatch, an expensive wristwatch. And there's something I noticed these days: every gadget company is no longer putting plugs. They just put the USB or USB-C, and then you have to go get your you have to go get the charger head yourself. So now I'm going to teach you how to connect the wireless mic to your phone, Android, tablets, Apple, anyone you're using. So the first stage is to plug it in with this. Go to Bluetooth. If it says USB charging connected device, currently connected, it simply means it's already connected. So there's next step is to go download an app called the Open Camera. So now we install it. Now it has been installed. We open it, and then you allow. Okay, you go to settings, you go to camera preview, scroll down, and then you see show audio level meter. Now this is really helpful, so you have to click on you go to video settings, go to audio source, external mic, and then you turn this on. You just simply click here and it turns on, and when it shows green, it simply means it's on. And now I would show you why you need to download the Open Camera app. Look here, as you can see, this meter here would help you to know if it is actually connected because it's wireless, and sometimes your Bluetooth connection might just be moving reckless. So this would help you to show it. This would show you that it is properly connected. If it's not connected, the meter would not be going from one end to another. You see how full it is? It also shows you if your microphone is properly charged. I'll show you how it looks when it is not connected to a microphone. Now this is how it looks when it is not connected to a microphone. You can see that the audio is not really strong. So in order to compare both of them, I'm simply going to say I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I love you. So now I'm going to test the Boya Lavalier mic, and you do it by simply plugging it here, and it's done. And one good thing about the Boya Lavalier mic is you don't need to connect anything, you don't need to check Bluetooth or download any app. But for the purpose of making all things equal, I'm still going to test it using the open camera app. So now I'm going to listen to both videos and determine which one sounds better. Hello everyone, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I love you. Hello everyone, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I love you. In my opinion, I think the wireless mic sounds better, but I still would prefer the Boya Lavalier mic for so many reasons. One is that the Boya Lavalier mic is faster to connect, so you don't need any app, you don't need any Bluetooth, you don't need anything. You just plug it and start, and you don't need to charge it beforehand, so the battery lasts for as long as, at least, I think you should be changing it every 1 month if you use it frequently, or every 2 months. Another reason is that you can use it on your phone, you can also use it on your laptop, and it's just flexible. And also because you don't have to check the battery. That battery thing can really mess you up because you don't want to be filming and then your battery dies and you get tired and frustrated, honestly. But with the Boya, you don't have to charge it, you just have to plug it and go. So if you're making sit down videos where you don't really have to move too much or move far away from your camera, I think the Boya Lavalier mic would make things easier for you. But if you're going to be making vlogs, I think wireless mic would be better for you. Another reason I like the Boya Lavalier mic is that it works with your laptop, it works with your camera, and it works with your phone. But with the K1 wireless mic, it only works with your phone, and usually if you buy the one that only works with USB, you can only use it with that type of phone. So basically, if you're a beginner, you don't want to spend too much money buying different types of microphones. So now, if you're a beginner content creator that knows absolutely nothing about editing videos, you can watch this playlist here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.